All right, now we're going to take this piece of cherry plywood, and we want our grain running lengthwise like this. So essentially what I need to cut this down to 26 inches. 26. Anytime you're working on a table saw, always want the good side facing up, because the rotation of the teeth will cut down, and you want that. That'll give you no chip out that way. Well, we need 18. Got 24. What 18 do I want? All right, we have our rough piece of cherry cut to 18 by 26 inches, and now we'll go back. I think roughly the state of Indiana is only about 14 inches for the most part, but we need 18 inches so that when we get down we can actually get the foot of Indiana. You know, it's kind of like a boot here, right? So it's really about 14 here. It gets to almost 18 out here. There we go. Now we'll get this ready and mount it on the CNC, and we'll be ready to go. What I've done is I've gone ahead and sealed the sign with some finish so that hopefully the black paint won't be able to penetrate into the pores of the wood. I've also gone ahead and taped off a little more open areas of the sign in order to just make it easier so that I don't have as much to sand away. Yep. All right, well, it's a start. Alright, now that we've got most of the paint off, I'm going to switch to a 220 grit to try and, you know, even it out, sand it up. Yeah, we'll come back and give it a little bit more sanding, but I think it looks pretty good. Once we get the finish on it, it'll be great. Okay everybody, that wraps it up for another episode of Hanging with Harv. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button now and leave me some comments. Let me know what you thought of the project.